In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best OBS recording settings for beginners. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, reliable setup that looks good, sounds clear, and doesn't overload your computer. First, open OBS on your computer. We're going to work inside the settings menu because that's where all the important recording options lie. Look to the bottom right of OBS and click the Settings button. A new window will pop up with several tabs on the left. Start by going to the Video tab. Here, you'll see two important options: Base Canvas Resolution and Output. Scaled Resolution. The base resolution should match your monitor, usually 1920 by 1080. For beginners, I recommend setting the output resolution to the same value, 1920 by 1080, so you get a full HD recording. Just below that is common FPS values. Choose either 30 or 60. If your computer is modest or you're recording heavier games, 30 is safer and more stable. If you have a more powerful system and want smoother motion, go with 60. Next, move over to the Output tab. At the top, change the output mode to Advanced so we can fine-tune things. Then, click on the Recording tab inside that same window. This is where you control how OBS records your videos. Choose a recording path where you have plenty of free space, ideally on a fast drive. For recording format, select MKV or MP4. MKV is a bit safer because if OBS crashes, your file is more likely to be saved. You can later remux it to MP4 inside OBS if needed. Now for Encoder. If you have a dedicated graphics card with a hardware encoder, like NVENC on many GPUs, choose that. Hardware encoding usually gives better performance because it takes the load off your CPU. If you don't see a hardware option, select a software encoder like X264. For beginners, set the rate control to CBR, or constant bitrate. Then choose a bitrate that matches your goals and internet or storage limits. For 1080p at 30 frames per second, 8,000 to 10,000 is a good starting point. For 60 frames per second, you might go a bit higher if your system can handle it. Finally, click Apply, then OK to save everything. Do a short test recording, watch it back, and keep tweaking bitrate or resolution until the video looks smooth and your computer runs comfortably. With these settings in place, you'll have a solid, beginner-friendly OBS recording setup ready for your content.